Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix blank white desktop icons in Windows in a very simple way. Whichever Windows operating system you're using, it's a very simple way to fix this problem. You just simply come over into your search option and here you just need to search for run. Click enter for run. Then you just need to type for app data and then click OK. After that there will be a window open. If you just click on the local, and if you find icon cached over here, you just simply click on this and going to delete it. Before that, if you can't find it over here into this local folder, you just need to come over into the view section and then go for show, and please check that hidden items is selected. After that, you just need to select this and click on delete, and then you just need to close it and then go for your search option and going to search for task manager. You can see here is our task manager. So if you click on that, your task manager will be open. And if your Windows Explorer is running, then you just need to click on it, the right mouse button, and going to click on by restart. And it will restart your task and fix your problem very easily. So this is how we can fix blank white desktop icons in Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.